Assalamualaikum friends, here is 5 certificate and diploma. These are PST file for Photoshop and link in this text file. Just you select this and download on web. These are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. So here is preview. Next, you can write anything. These are all. Okay, for example, open this one. Wait, extract layer, badge, text. Here is frame and here is last background. Change background color. Here is text. You can edit everything. Okay, these are CMYK, that's mean printable files. Same thing here. Wow. Okay, present. That's mean you can edit everything. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.